TedChain, blockchain games and decentralized gaming ecosystem. In this video, you will get to know about TedChain project, its business model, and what problems TedChain is aiming to solve. You are watching Coinfolio, your online guide through the world of cryptocurrencies and ICO. TedChain is a P2P cryptocurrency gaming platform which uses TedCoin as in-game currency. TedChain is a distributed ledger technology. It is suited for organizations wishing to issue and manage digital assets in a robust, secure, and scalable way. The TedChain platform includes a blockchain-based development workflow providing comprehensive blockchain solutions and services for players, content providers, channels, and advertisers, and facilitating a complete ecosystem. What problems TedChain is aiming to solve? The Google App Store is not dedicated to games, but all applications for mobile phones, tablets, and PCs. The lack of dedicated app store for games means that game enthusiasts may not even know that there are quality and fun games to play. This is because the individual playing apps are treated the same way as the thousands of software. Secondly, the game developers often lack a platform that not only markets their creation but also serves as a point of sale center. This challenge has not only denied some good game developers recognition and rewards for their work, but also the gamers have been missing out on the entertainment aspect of high-quality games. Lastly, gaming peers rely on social media sites such as WeChat, Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, etc. to interact with one another. This has led to poor sharing of playing tips that may have contributed to slow uptake of the hobby in some world regions. TedChain is aiming to prevent all these challenges by proffering a blockchain of games that is global, variety-full, rewarding, gaming-specific, and interactive on the peer-to-peer standpoint. I think TedChain is a games blockchain of the future. Why? Firstly, over 2 billion people play games on their smartphones. Most of these games are downloaded from Play Stores or Google Store. Secondly, the global games market is worth over 51.2 billion in Asia Pacific region, 27 billion in North America, 26 billion in Europe, Africa, and the Middle East, and 4.4 billion in Latin America. TedChain hopes to take advantage of the growing trend of industries shifting their operation to blockchain platforms. The huge market that is ever growing will be the bedrock of success. Additionally, TedChain is using a gentle neural marketing approach to attract the female demographics. Let's check the business model of the TedChain. Their business model is based on 3 pillars: development and distribution of own crypto games, publishing of games from third-party developers, and operation of the decentralized gaming and TED platform. Creation and distribution of TedChain games. TedChain has a team of game developers who are stationed in a strategic global points. The essence of the stationing is to give the various teams a local perspective of what type of games are considered trendy and therefore easy to market. These points are Asia Pacific, Europe, and North America. Additionally, it is an open secret that these regions are trendsetters in regards to the world tastes and preferences. Therefore, the TedChain games will appeal to game enthusiasts, trigger on-platform activity, and eventually lead to the growth of the ecosystem. The soundness of the model is further enhanced by the fact that deployment of the game will be easy to straightforward as the TedChain blockchain has a global coverage. Second, hosting third-party games. Some game developers have been relying on unscrupulous platforms to publish their games off the market. TedChain is stepping in and offering a genuine medium of the game deployment. This act will proffer immense benefits to the game developers and their games will be available to the world. Third is decentralized platform of games. Like most of the other blockchain, TedChain is a decentralized platform. This means that the main operations of the platform are not managed from a single point but from different points. This makes it hard for hackers and cyber criminals to infiltrate the system through a security breach. Additionally, the platform becomes independent from domination by a select few, as the individual actions of participants are independent of any control. The pillars of the model are strengthened by the fact that there is tokenization of the on-platform activities. This means that participants will have to own the TedCoins in order to carry out the transaction. Firstly, the TedChain blockchain will charge TedCoins for advertising games from third-party publishers. The rate is expected to be unbeatable, fair, relevant, and worth it. This is because despite being cheap, the service will attain broadcasting the game on an international audience that is not only huge but also diverse, unique, and often appreciative of new game innovations. From the client's end, they will have to purchase TedCoins to purchase the games from third-party publishers. These TedCoins will be immediately deployed to the individual game developers' crypto wallets. Secondly, the TedChain blockchain will be developing and deploying on games to the global community of gaming enthusiasts. These games will earn the blockchain and the selected parties that put their skills, competencies, experiences, and efforts into creating the games some token earnings. With more earnings and a continuous token flow, more games will be developed and the blockchain will have the largest collection of games in the world. Lastly, TedChain developmental team has a vision of incorporating the as-port technology on the blockchain. This addition will be in line with the growing trend of gaming platforms to develop online competition for game enthusiasts. This aspect borrows heavily from the online casino concepts where players interact, engage, and compete with the winners getting awards. However, the main difference in this regard is that the competition will be purely for fun, peer-to-peer engagement and gaming experience as opposed to a monetary gain. Competitions will be tokenized by the incorporation of the TedCoins. Why to choose TedChain? Here we can see the competitive advantages of TedChain. It's TED P2P network, TED blockchain, consensus protocol, securely communicate, voting system, and in-platform utility token. TedChain will become the next Google Play App Store of the blockchain. TedChain is a blockchain technology dedicated to allowing fast, easy, and cost-effective deployment of decentralized applications (DApps). By utilizing Node.js and incorporating consensus hosting, storage, and compute modules into a core technology, operate within a sandboxed Node runtime environment along with a custom-built decentralized application store, TedChain is able to provide a complete solution for the entire Dapp development cycle. Every decentralized application on the TedChain network has its own uniquely customizable blockchain. The TedChain Play Store is a portal for accessing all the decentralized applications currently running on the TedChain network. Similar to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, users are provided with a user interface that represents DApps in a categorized fashion, allowing DApps to be launched easily and immediately at the click of a button, while also providing an excellent user experience for anyone looking for make safe and easy transactions within seconds. TedChain's very own Dapp store gives customers the same, if not superior, interface consumers have come to expect from existing centralized solutions currently dominating the market. Developers are able to publish their decentralized applications for consumptions onto the official TedChain decentralized Play Store, giving consumers a familiar, if not superior, user experience they have come to export from existing centralized solutions currently dominating the market. We believe believe our Dapp store has some huge advantages over existing implementations. It gives developers an easy to deploy and non-intrusive distribution method. Plus, consumers can find and use dApps in much the same manner they are accustomed to, while taking comfort in a knowledge that every dApp is backed by the probably secure TED blockchain. Besides technology, TedChain also wants to grow their Dapp developer base. Naturally, their product will stand or fall by the dApps available on the platform. So in order to give developers an incentive, they will launch a Dapp development contest in 2018. The contest gives JavaScript developers a unique opportunity to showcase their talents and the potential of winning thousands of dollars worth of TED. The TedChain blockchain is built to provide a gaming platform where game enthusiasts can benefit from existing games from both of the TedChain team and third-party developers. The activities of each user will be monetized through assigning of TED tokens on a proof of work and proof of stake mechanism. The blockchain will be mobile friendly, hence relevant to the prevailing circumstances of most people. Currently, TedChain is running their token sale. As we can see, there was ICO stage 1 on July 17, stage 2nd on July 24, stage 3rd on July 31st, 4th stage started on August 7 and it's running right now. You can get 18% bonus and the price of token right now is 2.5 cents. On 14th of August will start stage 5th and the price of token will be already 3 cents. So if you like the idea of TedChain, you can join the token sale and get the 18% bonus. They are accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash and fiat currency. Token sales started on July 17th and will end on October 8th. But every week the price of the token is increasing. The soft cap is $3.5 million and the hard cap is $21.5 million. The token price started from 1 cent and till the end of token sale it will be 6 cents. Here we can see the token allocation and operating allocation of the TedChain. For more information about TedChain, visit their official website tedchain.network. Also, you can learn more about their ecosystem by reading the white paper of the project. All necessary links you can find below in the video description. This is all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, hit the like button, write your comments below, press subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.